Today we're gonna be unboxing the brand new Apple Watch Ultra. Yeah guys, the reason why I bought this new Apple Watch is because the one I have right now, the Series A, just broke. So let's get started. This is the manual. On the first page you see different color actions for the Apple Watch band, really nice. And on the next page you have all the steps to set up your Apple Watch. Oh, look at this guys, the Apple Watch and the band come in two separate boxes. Let's unbox the band first. So I choose the orange color, which is called Alpine. It's really nice, as you can see. Now let's unbox the Apple Watch. Guys, this is the most resistant and durable watch that Apple has ever made. It also comes with a magnetic fast charging to USB-C cable. And as you can see, it's super magnetic, so even if you shake the Apple Watch, it won't fall. Look at that. The reason why this Apple Watch is super resistant is because it is made of titanium. And it also features a sapphire crystal front and a ceramic crystal back. And another good part about this Apple Watch is that also you're gonna enjoy a 49mm screen size, making it easier to scroll and find what you need on your Apple Watch. Let me put side by side these two Apple Watch, that way you can see how big is the Apple Watch Ultra. It's a huge difference, and like I said, the screen size is so much easier for you to navigate on the new Apple Watch Ultra. I'm also really impressed that Apple tried to make this Apple Watch different from other models, but the old watch band are still comparable 100% with this watch. I actually like that. So they might thought that since this Apple Watch is too expensive, people may have band, you know what I mean, around the house, and they can use it with this one. So they don't want to make people to buy a new band and also buy this watch that is too expensive and spend a lot of money necessarily. So I think it was a great idea. Alright guys, on the right side we have the crown and the power button. And as you can see, it also has three little holes right here. 1, 2, and 3. These are microphones. The function of those microphones is that if you're gonna call someone, so you are talking to someone using your Apple Watch, those microphones will reduce the background noise. So you're gonna be able to hear better and the other person. On the left side we have a brand new customizable action button and also the speaker. The little speaker is one of my favorite parts, guys, because if you lose your Apple Watch in your house, let's say in your car or anywhere, the Apple Watch has a siren that you can turn on right from your iPhone, and it will be easy to find it. This Apple Watch comes with 32 gigs internal storage, features the latest Bluetooth connectivity 5.3, and also a 542 mAh battery that can last up to 36 hours. Also guys, this Apple Watch supports eSIM and is certified IP6X, which means that it's water resistant. Now let me show you how to set it up and use it with your phone. The first thing, turn on your Apple Watch. Just press the power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Here we go. So once your Apple Watch is completely on, grab your iPhone and place it right next to the Apple Watch, and you will see a new window on your iPhone screen. Let's go ahead and click on continue. So on this page, let's go ahead and click on set up for myself or set up for a family member. It is for you, set up for myself. Now you will have to scan the barcode that just appeared on your Apple Watch. Just put it right in the camera so you can see, and it automatically will go through. On this page you will see a new update available, but you don't have to do it now, you can do it later. So let's go ahead and click on skip the update and continue. Alright, wait a few seconds, and right here let's go ahead and click on continue. Guys, you have to hit continue on every page that you see on your iPhone. So just continue. You can set up all those actions later. Once your phone is already set up, you can do it. So it will take a few minutes. I recommend you to put your phone on the table. Don't mess with your phone until this process is done. Okay, here we have a new window. So it's time to set up your Apple Watch passcode. I recommend you to do that later. Just click on don't add passcode for now. You can do all that once your Apple Watch is already set up. Then let's go ahead and click on don't use passcode just for now. Right here, let's go ahead and click on continue. Let's go ahead and click on continue. Continue. You can add those information later. Continue. Let's go ahead and click on not now, and then right here let's go ahead and click on set up later in settings. Don't open automatically, then continue. Okay guys, now your Apple Watch is syncing, so just put it on the table. Once you see the clock on your Apple Watch, that means everything is already connected. Alright guys, let's enjoy the Apple Watch. So it was really easy. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Like to the video and don't forget to subscribe.